All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe, man. Let's get to it. What's today? Tuesday? Tuesday, December 24th. Came off an awesome day yesterday, like a perfect day. And I think the thing that stood out the most was just being patient, like really just wanting to wait for confirmation. I get a lot of FOMO, man, and I flip from looking for a good setup to not wanting to miss something that's going up. And when I get into that mode, I don't care about the pattern or I want to get in the trade before it goes up too fast. So then I start taking trades I shouldn't take, But when I'm patient and I wait for confirmation, like that's actually when you get the good setup. When you got confirmation, you start getting multiple things lining up. Confirming your thesis, man. AMD. Yeah, AMD was real nice yesterday. Hey, it's Bob. What's up, Bob? Where you been, man? Miss Pond. Yeah, I miss Pond too, man. I miss Pond too. Anyway, I got Krev and JTAI. Wave Rider. What's up, bro? What's the wave today, man? Santa. Still holding 5% of Tesla. Ooh. Mm. Tesla's backside, but it's a good place to start the uptrend again for sure. Above yesterday's high. Tesla might be that one today, Santa. It's a big rejection candle right here on the weekly, though. Man, that thing went up all the way up to 488. Looking for a fantastic voyage. Man, I don't know. I don't know what to make on Tesla. Slide, slide, slippity slide. You got fantastic voyage in my head now, Wave Rider. Slide, slide, slippity slide. I got LAES on watch too, but if it goes below pre-market lows, I'd probably be messing with it. Man, this looks really good, doesn't it? Did buy a risk to right here under 7? What you think? Not did buy, but 1 minute ORB. Nope, still going lower. Is it gonna hold 7 though? I almost pressed the button right down there. That's not confirmation though, right? Let us wait. All right, MSTU. MSTU. Oh, I was just about to say, I was thinking 11. I was like, I thought this was like a Really expensive stock, but this is an ETF for MSTR. What's up, Artem? Bought AMD at 125.5. PLTR and Tesla ripping. Tesla looks great. Yeah, Tesla looks great. That's a huge rip. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Tesla, man. Tesla probably gonna be that one today. I really want to take JTAI right here, man. Man, these guys are so cheap though, bro. What is this, man? I have to do this every day. Why is this the case? What's happening here? Man, that's such a wide stop, yo. Hmm. Man, I wanted JTAI down here, but I'm trying to wait for more confirmation. Yeah, I'm mad now. I'm mad, bro. uh, LAES over here at pre-market lows. This is probably a good buy right here. Yeah, and the one I take is gonna stop out. That's gonna be a little disheartening. Dang, there goes LAES, man. I feel like I'm trading scared this morning. I don't like that. Uh, yeah, I regretted this entry as soon as I took it, honestly. Bro, I was so close to buying this. uh, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking with this. This is just all these candles are just inside of this first candle. Terrible setup. Slow your roll. Hmm. This thing halted down. That's funny. I don't know. I think he's been kind of here and there. He popped up in the Discord for a while and then disappeared again and then popped up again, but I haven't seen him lately. Bruh, this about to be my second stop. This daily, I'm gonna be mad at myself because it is daily though. It had a really big gap, but I still don't like trading after a day like this day. So two bad trades this morning. The one I should have taken, the one I was being scary about, is halted up. And let's see what happens here. Dang, JTAI just opened up out of the halt up big time. Man, I'm really sad to not be in that. I gotta be more aggressive on a situation like this, man. Done for the day. My man, Artem. Got to the bag. That was nice, man. Well, I am down 2R on the day, and it's not looking good for your boy today. Did not get into the right things. LAES, what actually was, I took this off and put it back on, and I was just like, I told myself I didn't want to trade after. See, these are the regrets I don't like to have, where I have a clear reason to not have taken the trade. You know, it's like here, okay. I mean, the setup sucked for sure. Like, look at this purchase is almost that high a day, right? So that lets you know that's the first clue. uh, High of day and above VWAP, like wilding. Yeah, but you know what? Each time this happens, it still makes me. It's another coin in the bucket of a thing that I need to do, and I feel the coin. You know, like I know even more now that I don't want to trade after this type of day. You know, these guys over here, the killing AMD. Ooh, that's nice right there. Yeah, see, that's why I wasn't feeling AMD's daily chart though. Two green ups, two green up days. No, I'm still using the same broker. I just changed my platform. I'm using DOS now instead of Sterling. This could be the bottom right here, but I need some
Some confer just justifies the move up. Yeah. I didn't even really dig into the catalyst. I haven't really been digging into the catalyst. I just basically look and see if there is news. All right, Santa, $1 in the money on AMD.
I think I would have rather my third trade been on JTAI, something that's proven itself on the bullishness. We in it now. Yo, what up, Q? Oh, I would have definitely still been in JTAI, no doubt. No doubt. Yeah, I would have sold a lot of shares, but shoot, I still would have been holding half of my shares through that halt, man. I ain't scared. Especially if I entered down at the bottom like I was thinking about entering. Oh yeah, I'd be chilling, bro. I'd be chilling. Oh, this thing's about to crash out. It don't matter. It's over. That's so disappointing. I really wanted to be patient for my last trade and catch a bounce on JTAI, but this thing is look like it's about to collapse through the floor. We'll see though. Tesla short at 450. You're short JTAI at 9. Nice. Typical Q fashion. Well done. JTAI halted down. Wow. Nice job, Q. Yeah. Now it looks like it's reached the bottom here. I like this big volume candle on this hammer at yesterday's high. Ooh, this might be good right here. Looks like it's curling. We know we're going to be good over 1053. Well, not know, but we'll be feeling better. Come on now. Let's get 1040. There's 1050. Whoa. Okay. Okay. There might be some hope out here. Let's see if we can get a double bottom on LAES. If we can get some green out on this one. We'll manage JTAI now. Nice work, bro. Nice work. Yeah, that looked like the bottom on LAES. Is it over already? Just see if it gives you an entry. Don't do it. Look at the 5. It's set up so nice. It could be real nice from here. At 7 if it drops.
Yeah, if it don't make a new low, I would definitely be interested. No dilution. Hmm. So there's a chance that they might not dump it. AMD. Come on, Krev. My whole day riding on Krev. Ugh. Nah, I haven't seen him yet. And I looked through my emails trying to find an email from him, but I didn't find one. BAOS. Wow, sure is moving. Nice volume too. Come on, man. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I'd love to see this thing back over 11 and over VWAP. That would be so nice. It's starting to look good on the 5 for sure. JTAI still halted. Okay, we about to make a higher high. Over 84. What we got? 78. There's 84 right there. 86. There's 11. I'm so happy I caught one, y'all. It looks trappy. I hope we trapping shorts, man. Got one off. Stop to break even. Let's go. We fighting back today, man. Actually, I should put it under this low. Let's drop it just under this candle here. What's this? 20. Yeah, let's go 19. Ooh, yeah. All right, next target, high of day, but we're going to watch the volume and we're going to kick them off. We're going to kick them off as the volume comes in for sure. Because if we got buyers, I'm going to be a seller. You was too scared. Hey, man. It's such a good risk to reward proposition down here, you know. I like these two wicks next to each other. That's kind of been something I've been peeping out. Okay, I'm definitely sitting at break even now. Like if it come way back down here, it's a wrap. All right, JTAI down at VWAP after opening out of the halt. Trying to hold $8. Not a bad place to try it. I would have to have my stop at low of day though. But anyway, we're focused over here. Let's go. Let's go, man. Come on. High of day is 12.75. Do you know how crazy the squeeze could be? Do you see the squeeze squeezing? We're about to halt. Let me get one out of there. Let me get one out of there real quick. Come on, get me out. I gotta do under 29. There we go. Yeah, buddy. All right, we bringing it back. Looking for a scout at 17. Okay, you just jumped in? Yo, I'm looking for a nasty squeeze. Let's see. We got a little candle top over here. Let's put a line there so we can keep an eye on that. Definitely gonna try to get off another share into that level. Ah, yeah, she's squeezy. She's squeezy. Well, we got to get over this high day. This is actually a great place to short it. So we'll see. What up, Jack? Just trying to dig myself out the hole here. JTAI, man. Did you bro, waiting for 7 would have been the move, bro. Or at least waiting for a candle to make a new high. Do you still add to your positions or stop doing? I normally I don't, man. I don't want to. Sometimes I see a situation where it's just like really practical to add, but I mess myself up with it a lot, and so I'd rather just not. Most of the time I want to add because I got in a position and it just the way the setup was, I wasn't able to get a lot of shares. And so I want to leverage up the position. And so I'm really looking to add, but um it just usually either I have to raise my stop or accept more risk from the trade than I originally intended to. It's just already out, field at 17. Oh, really? Oh, you got in at 17. Dang, bro. That's cool, man. Nice work there, sir. You all the way out? Or 2K shares. 2K shares 40 cent, bro. That's gravy. All right, so the shorts came in at this top right here, which is I'm happy to see. JTAI looking legitimate. I just want to see some volume though. Seems like it's worth a shot down here, I'd say. Switch to watch mode. Need a sound effect for this screen. Watch mode activated. No, not pure penny stock. I really like mid cap, but my scanner's set up from 5 to 150, $5 to 150, and I'm looking for dang, that's it. Bro, that's whack. It's about to halt down. I should just get out. Should I get out? It's too late now. Well, I got a couple sales off. Stops at break even. Stops actually 1047. It's probably the thing about this is the slippage could be so nasty coming out of this halt. Look at this 9. I should have got out of the halt, bro. I was tripping. This thing could open and just like rip my face off. Talking about $10. Dang, I should have got out of the halt, man. I had a chance. Well, we got 5 minutes. Dang, and then this about to stop me out too. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be bad. I know. It's gonna be bad. And it came all the way back down here. See, I'm not used to these situations. I should have got out, man. I should have got out. I looked at DRCT this morning. Yeah, I don't mess with days after big green days like that. Supposedly, although I just took a trade on this stupid stock. uh, JTAI straight slapped up. Well, at least the bid's up to 1042 now. Where would you have gotten in on PLTR? Break of yesterday's high? Oh, that first after that first red candle, ain't been much red. All right, CREV. Yeah, there we go. That wasn't too bad though. That's about break even. Okay, we still in the game, y'all. Now I want to get back in this mug. Oh, that sucks, man. Stop me out. Stop me out for that. Yep, I still got $4 left. This the one right here, y'all. This the one we were waiting for. Thanks, Trey. I wish if I didn't have that first one, the first one was trash though, Trey, like straight Billy style. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's almost high a day above VWAP. You know, not ideal for sure. Man, I wanted to try this thing somewhere, but this actually should have been enticing enough. Probably could have took that right there, stop under there. That would have been cool. First trade, yeah, first trade was way too high, bro. But second trade worked out. Now I like these two wicks next to each other. That's kind of been something I've been peeping. And took some through VWAP, took some near high of day. I just saw the volume spiking and had to take some out instead of waiting for actual high of day, which is a mistake I made yesterday trying to hold for the $20 level and missed out when the volume was clearly telling me to sell. So I'm glad I did that today. Low of day is 965. What you think's gonna happen? 67, 66. She's broken. It's broken. What's it gonna be? I didn't like large cap because it follows the SPY. I wanted things that had their own reason to move. You know, I would get in a lot of things that I thought was setting up really good, and then something would happen with the SPY, and it would drag everything down. And I was just tired of it. Like I didn't want to trade the SPY. I didn't want to trade stocks and the SPY. I just wanted to trade the stocks. So small cap, mid caps, they tend to run off of news more than the market. And I like that better. What up, Kizzy Bot? All right, this could definitely just been like a little pullback right here, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. I should have just moved my stop right underneath $7. See, this how they get people to just keep buying on the way down. Like, oh man, it's going up now. Jade to Ross Cameron. I don't know about Ross Cameron. I'm not really chasing momentum like that, but you know, I'm definitely taking profits on the way up. Trying to. Come on, JTAI. It's really I really need you to make a recovery right here. MPLN. Let's see. MSTU, Wave Rider. Ooh, wee. That thing said VWAP where? This thing ain't touched VWAP since 8 o'clock. Golly. What's Lace looking like on the hires, bro? All right, so I risked a low of day, but I'm not really going to risk that much. Santa. AMD rolling. Ah, nice reversal, man. Nice reversal indeed. It's going to be like this, man. This is how we going to do it. Dang it, man. Don't do it. Oh, man. Bruh, I'm hanging on by a thread. I'm hanging on by a thread. I really need to move up and I need to sell a share to stay alive here. I can't survive any type of pullback right now. I'm gonna get kicked out. Come on, baby. Help me out here, man. Man, I think JTAI might even turn out to be a good trade. I just didn't have the risk to hold both of these. But it looked like I might have picked the right one. No, I mean daily's way too extended. Yeah, I agree, and that's why. As when I took the trade on it, I regretted it because I just don't want to have that be a reason to feel like I shouldn't have taken the trade. The daily, like that's something that happens pre-market. Like I shouldn't bring that into the open. A bad daily setup. Like why am I picking something like that in pre-market to bring into the open? Why even look at the daily then? What you mean? No, I'm saying I'm saying that I don't want. Yeah, I'm saying that like if I look at for me like this daily on LAES after a big day like this big green day, I don't like to trade because it's usually a red day or a narrow range day after a big day like this. And so usually when I pull this up on the daily, I won't trade it. The only reason I put it up is because it was the highest volume, one of the highest volume trading things trading today. And so I was like, well, let me just keep an eye on it. But I shouldn't have. I would have rather just not watch this. Like I'm saying in pre-market, if I have that pre-market is the time to go through the dailies and all of that good stuff. This thing never even stopped me out, yo. Never even stopped me out. Is it still saying reversal though? Not really. The volume's dying. It's holding this level, but there's no buyers stepping in, making it look exciting. So we're gonna chill on that. Ben got a kid now. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm saying like in pre-market, that's my time to investigate the dailies and the weekly charts and make good choices so that I shouldn't be watching anything at the open that doesn't have a good daily. Is what I'm saying. Like, why am I doing that? Man, JTAI is really tempting right here, but I'm just, yeah, there's no buy volume. Yeah, I don't need to do that. uh, that's all right, Bob. You're doing well, man. Most of us do not speak two languages. Yeah, I don't see any good volume here. The setup's cute, but all right, man. Got a message. Why won't it pop up? Well, we caught one maybe. Krev looks interesting right here, though. I ain't gonna hold you. It's just got no other time frames lining up with it to make it look like it actually looks like it's going down for sure. So yeah, we're just gonna focus on this guy. Yeah, for sure, man. Ben is definitely the data guy. Man, this is really looking kind of interesting. Nah, what did we say? We just rolling with LAES. Do, 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 do. Yeah, see the 15 and the 5 is looking kind of promising on these tickers. All right, there's pre-market low after bouncing off yesterday's high. Bruh, this is just like a really interesting trade to me. It's just not enough. It looked like it's about to curl, man. Bruh. Them other time frames look terrible though. uh, I know, man, but probably should have just took my $2 out. Five isn't bad. Oh, the five. Yeah, it is a big wig. All right, Bob. Appreciate you, man. Actually, my platform does a really good job making sure I don't go too far past my max loss. Now, if I see a volume spike at low a day on this thing, then I'll try it. But I really want to see something special. Like a really narrow wick on some volume would be special. Oh, make a higher high and I'll move my stop down here. What is this low? 47. That's a beautiful place to put my stop. Beautiful. What did it move yesterday? $1.60, $1.56. About $1.40 move today. Say 10:06. If I take this trade, it's gonna kick me out, and it goes bad. It's gonna kick me out on my good trade, and I still haven't seen anything great over here. I like this little pullback, but okay, that's a little volume. Yep, I saw it. If it was good to go, it would have been the second trade you took. This one. Oh boy. Oh boy. Holla at your boy. Appreciate you holding my hand through that one, Trey. uh, don't call it a comeback. Man, let's go. Come on, let's get to VWAP. Let's get to the WAP. Trying to sell something just under 11. Yeah, for sure. Of course, I can't put that order out. Let's go. All right, took half off of VWAP, stopped to break even. LAES, kind of fading out a little bit. I got one take profit on it. Stop is at break even, 536. Let's go up a little bit more. Stop at 537. Do. All right. Let's see what happens here. Oh, we about to halt? I'm good with it. I'm good with it. I'm good with it. We can halt. Artemin DRCT. Hey, I like that, bruh. I like this. This reversal volume is beautiful. Actually, I mean, it's been a lot of volume this whole move, but yeah, this looks decent. I like that. 370. What an entry, bro. Nice work, man. I like that. Yeah, buddy. All right, we chilling now, man. I mean, it's still a red day, but it does not look like a max loss red day. And I got two trades that are in the money right now. Krev being the most exciting. I don't think I want to sell any more of Krev. Maybe I'll sell one more through higher day. I'd rather hold it for pre-market though. Only got 3 shares left. Man, is that gonna be it? Okay, I like this over here. If we can make a higher high. Without that, it's kind of worthless. Target 480 for DRCT. I think that's reasonable, man. Right underneath this high over here. Yeah. Just this 5-minute candle though could be the lower high. So just be mindful of that. Man, thanks, Trey. I'm happy I was able to wait, you know. And yeah, this little volume spike was all, that was enough. This little guy right here, man. Dang, it's about to haul down. Not this time. No. Uh I don't want to hit panic. Ah, damn, I shouldn't have hit panic. I got out of my other trade, yo. It's all good. It made a lower high. It's probably going down too. Oh man, and then it popped back up. It didn't even halt. See, that's why I like doing extra stuff, man. That panic joint worked, don't it? uh, false halt, bro. Whatever. Still a green trade. Panic coming in clutch, bro. That mug got me out of there, bro. Yeah, good looking out, Q. The 10-10 on Krev. Yeah, 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 for sure. That was a nice candle. Bro, I don't know, but I know it's possible. I don't know. I don't know what to do to find out. I need to maybe send Das an email or something, or send one of those Bear Bull Trader guys an email. But I don't know. They probably looking at it like proprietary. This if you want to learn this type of stuff, you got to sign up. And yeah, bro, I ain't got time for that. Well, this is a nice little double bottom right here on the volume spike. Like inverted so that like if you're looking to go long, you can flip it and see if it actually, sometimes you think something is a long setup, but you get somebody who short trades, they'll look at it and be like, nah, that's a short. And so you can flip it, invert it just to see if it looks, does it look bullish inverted? Then it's a short. Okay, so in Bear Bulls, it was yesterday's pre-market show, and basically they have a intake like enrollment program they do where they do different tutorials and stuff like that, and he was basically talking about what they did in the last class. And config area, um and he said, yeah, last time we talked about how you can invert your DOS chart to see, if it looks like a short setup, or is it really a long setup, or is it a short setup? And it's really helpful to have that as a hotkey where you can just press it and invert your chart real quick. And I was like, what? Is this not configure? Chart area config? Oh, right here, my bad. Sorry for not listening. Should be an option called invert chart. Got chart configure, data configure, blank bars automatically. These are studies, unless there's an invert study. That's cool. They got chart history. Like if you like, man, what was that stock I just looked up? I don't see it, bro. There's my no trade alarm. I sure was looking for one more to take, but we'll take the -1 our day. We'll take that. Got to learn to accept some of these days, Every day can't be, it doesn't need to be either home run or max loss. You know what I mean? So I'll take this. Help. Yeah, nice small red day, bro. I'm chilling, man. Live chat support. Live support is not configured. Great. I wonder if my guy knows. Might have to tap into some of my the home runner strikeout is boom buzz. Yeah, yeah. I'm actually pretty happy to have a small red day. Look at this thing holding this low right here. I would have never got stopped out of this position. Well, nah, yeah, I would, because my stop was at break even. I would have got stopped. But I'm so proud of myself that I've started taking profits. Y'all remember, man, I used to catch these all the time. Just moves up, and I would just never take anything. Like normally if I bought right here, like the old me, I would have not wanted to sell until I got to high a day. And I would have put an order in high a day and I would have just been sitting here, watch it go up, watch it throw all of this volume and just like, oh man, all or nothing. I guess that, I mean all or nothing is a strategy, but this is just working out so much better for me. Yo, I'm liking JTAI off of this low right here. I like these two volume spikes right here, and especially this one. Yeah, I think that's looking kind of saucy. But I'm not taking it or anything. I'm over that. I've proven to myself so much that trading outside of my window is not good for me. Like I literally believe it. Like as soon as my timer goes off at 9:30, my trading skills are out the door and I'm not trading anymore. Man, straight up, Artem. And it was killing me, man. And I wasn't hearing y'all. Man, RJ, it's so nice, man. It's definitely been a lot of moments where I just felt like just spinning my wheels and just going in this circle. And I'm still, there's still a cycle. Like it seems like after a couple really good days, I do really bad. This is actually kind of interesting. I don't I don't think I have like maybe 1 or 2 days where I'm red but not max loss. Like most of my max loss days. I mean, most of my red days are max loss because I'm like, I'm not gonna stop at -1 R when I got 2 R left to risk. Like, let's see what we can do, you know? And it's like, nah, bro. Having a small red day is a lot better than having a big red day. And I really don't even like losing 3R. Like I really want to lose like 2R would be a perfect max loss, but I just want more opportunities to trade. Um oh really? You got some info? Come on, what's up? He doesn't know what I'm talking about. That's hilarious, bro. Look, watch this JTAI go, man. I'm telling you, bro, this is a really nice level. Let me stop. This is not financial advice. Hold up. Yeah, I definitely want, bro. I wanted them R's, bro. I believed it. I just believed that I could get it. And it just I wasn't trying to accept anything less, man. And it's just like with this strategy, you can get the base hits and the home runs, you know? They won't be as big if at the home runs won't be as big, of course, because you've been taking base hits as it goes up. But the home runs just don't happen often enough to justify not taking the base hits. Wow, this would have been really nice. Like easy going. What an easy going. Look at this stock, bro. What an easy going stock. Oh my God, bro. Like literally, this would have been so nice, man. Like any pullback you bought would have been fine. Both no news. And the market kept telling you, who do you think you are? uh, man. Yeah. I had my idea and my expectations and I was standing on it, man. And there is in fact a better way for me, you know, and I'm grateful to have had the I don't know if it's humility or just having enough knots on my head, but you know, to just realize that I needed to change that. Oh yeah. Man, JTAI, bro, that mug is going. Oh yeah, DRCT. Yeah, I didn't want to touch this today, man. Like with a 10-foot pole. This is exactly what usually happens after a big green day. Yo, look at this call, yo. I should have jumped in there. The risk to reward on this trade was crazy. Got in at like 6:30. I was wanting to get in right here, yo. High was 6:30 stop at 6:09. Yo, be caking right now. Eventually these rules are going away. Not the rules, but the bumpers. Apple. Wow. We gotta swing. I gotta start swing trading, man. This doesn't make any sense. Gotta start swing trading. Look at it, man. I knew it. I could see it. I could feel it in my bones. I love these little narrow range candles, man. Oh, bro, I used to buy these and put my stop right under the entry candle, man. Risk to reward was bananas. It's super chill, man. I'm getting into it, man. I bought NIO yesterday. Oh snap! Hey, I'm in NIO on a swing trade yesterday at 451. Let's check out the daily on this bad boy. Actually, let's check out the weekly. Look at this weekly chart, yo. Right, we double bottomed right here, made this big spike up, came back down, and then started basing right here. And yeah, man, big volume spikes. And I just thought, their earnings have been steadily going up after their drop. And the price is super cheap. So, yeah, man, had to go on and jump in that. That's my first. I feel like my first real official. Actually, I took Sorrow. Sorrow I made like a dollar a share off of. I think I was in that like 25 and I sold that. I don't know if I actually got out $1. I was up over $1 a share. But I got out of that to get into NIO cuz it's way cheaper, and I can get more shares. Swinging is fun, no diddling. What up, T-Lo? Yeah, definitely no diddling. Get you in trouble. Yo, JTAI, bro, this would have been a clean. When I get to the point where my decision making is consistent, I think I can unleash the beast. Unleash my guy Shooter McGavin out here, boy. I'm trying to keep him chained up for now till I get like the habits of my decision making, man, because it just be lacking sometimes. Like my decision to watch this stock today, lacking. I'm glad I was able to get a little back on it, but just not an ideal stock to watch. JTAI was okay. I really like more significant gaps. Like it really only gapped over one high. But yeah, definitely going to be oh yeah. So there is hope to get to that point cuz like Usually when I'm in a swing trade, I'm checking it all day. I got a widget on my phone screen, so every time I look at my phone, I can see the price. And I'm checking it all the time, bro. It's like it's bad. But yeah, NIL's looking real good right now. I like where it's at. I like where it's at. Just need some news now. Shoot, it look like a good time to buy that joint right now. If it had better volume. Man, where'd you get in Hood at? Hood has been on a tear, man. This is backside now. What time is it? 10:43. Okay, doing good on time. Got in Hood at 21. Ah, man. Yo. Yeah, I gotta get into swing trading, man. For sure. I'm just gonna build it up slow, man. I'm just gonna build it up slow and put money in here and there, but I really just want to kind of snowball it. But nah, this NIO trade really made me want to go dump in like $500 on it. Cause man, I think I'm gonna kill the swing game though. It seemed kind of easy. Cause the hard part is the moment in the day trading, right? But you remove that, like looking over charts at night after hours, trying to find something good. Just chill, man. What is this thing? How do I get to see what it says? Set up window. It's like a message window or something. Internal message. U.S. markets will close early by 1 p.m. U.S. markets will be closed Wednesday in observance of Christmas Day. Nah, I don't. I haven't even. I'm pretty much just daily, weekly, monthly patterns and volume. Um, I haven't. I've never really gotten into indicators for real, but not to say that they're not valid, but I'm just kind of a naked trader. But that's for day trading. I wouldn't mind using a few things for swings to help me make decisions. I just don't like too many variables in the moment, but there's not really a moment when you're swing trading. You're just gathering as much info as you can and trying to make a good decision. Yo, this JTAI is about to be the one, 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 one. I really want this line off of here. I've also been thinking about changing my whoa, cancel. changing the color to the volume bars. Was that not here? Oh, it's chart area. Oh no, I gotta. That's the indicator. Study config. Huh. I don't know if I like that though. We could try it out, I guess. Hmm. Yeah, I wouldn't mind having a moving average or two, like a 200 EMA or something like that for swings. Looking at the daily and stuff like that. But I just black and white. Huh. I was just thinking of not having colors on the volume because they kind of give you a bias. It doesn't really matter the color, but it does help line up the candles though. It helps match up what candle is going to what. Dang, what green was it? Was that green? Yeah, we'll do that. I don't want to change anything right now. The 12 and 26 EMA. Huh. Hey Artem, Jack said, what time frame do you use the RSI on? All right, so my regrettable trades. I regret watching LAES. We're gonna be done with doing this, watching after days like that. Um, thanks, Artem. Um, JTAI. Not really a great daily, honestly. I mean, a nice gap up. I guess the gap up was good enough. Had good volume. I just needed to take it off the open, like I was thinking too. And Krev. This actually was also after a pretty sizable green day, but the gap away from it was, I think, big enough to make it not be that big of a deal. Not two decent trades on Cree, huh? Krev. I guess that's how I made it to green on it. I was actually kind of surprised when I looked down there and saw that. Yeah, this buy was terrible. Oh my god. I've done this a lot too. Like I know I've done this before, entered that type of setup. I got to figure out how to tell my brain that we don't like that. Hmm. Yeah, too many variables for me. It's already enough going on, man, to be looking at three or four other indicators on top of price action, on top of volume, on top of support and resistance levels. It's just like too much, man. Huh. Yeah. I used to chat in forums and stuff, like on Facebook. People would be posting their charts, and it would just be like a rainbow. Like you have like waves of lines going across, and all of these arrows, and I'm just like, bro, you can't even see the candlesticks, bro. Like, what are you doing? Oops. Uh oh. What'd I do? Okay. Just started reading Laws of Success. Really? I wonder, is that on Audible? I'm always looking for my next Audible book. By Napoleon Hill, The Law of Success or Laws of Success? I only see the law. Yeah, no doubt. The volume is so huge. It's been such. All right, appreciate it, T-Lo. It's been such a revelation, man. Um, the volume, man. Yeah, I rock with Napoleon Hill. I got a couple of his books. All right, added to the library. Good looking out, bro. um, yeah, the volume is just like really changed everything for me. Like when I was waiting for a reason to enter this my last trade on Krev, like where is the actual, like where's the buyers, you know? And I love these two candle pullbacks. I love these, especially when it's clearly on lower volume than the move up. And then just seeing the next candle volume come in higher than the pullback candles, that was enough. And being able to get in because of that and not because of the candle breaking a new high, I've gotten some really good entries using volume. And also, if I'm not FOMOing and actually looking and paying attention, it keeps me out of a lot of stupid trades too. So yeah, volume is it, man. I appreciate it, Trey. I'm trying, man. The consistency is my issue, man. I just got to do the same thing every day. And it's hard because the stock market is different every day. You know, the things that are gapping up are different. The way they gap up is different. The volume and setups, it's just like it's an ever evolving challenge, and that's part of what makes it so fun. Like you come in here, sit down, and you don't know what the day is gonna bring. You just gotta be ready. You gotta be ready with good habits and a good system to just handle the decisions. The decisions it's like the decisions are made when you make your system. While you're trading, you're just pressing buttons pretty much. Like, okay, my system says do this, do that. System says do this, do that. It's not really too much thinking. That's all I'm trading, Ben. Trying to be all I'm trading. Um Sometimes though I get in a little too soon and get bit like up here. This wasn't a reversal. But this was, and this was, and both of those trades worked out okay. Got me back out of the hole from my red trade and a little bit of profit. This reversal over here on LAES wasn't bad too. Kind of late to it, but I mean, it still gave me what I needed to see to take it. Oh, that's why you asked, because you was looking at that like that ain't it. What's up, Ben? No, we was talking about you, man. Who's asking about you? Bob was in here. Bob showed up. Bob the Pond Killer. you know, we always miss our data quant. But yeah, man, it's 11 o'clock. Trying to be consistent in everything I do, including the time that I end the stream and start my regular day, because I've been in future worlds, like trading futures. Um, yeah, but not a bad week. Killed yesterday, and today lost $5. Not bad, man. I could definitely live with that. Could definitely live with that. This is the type of losing day that keeps you in the game for sure. Um, yeah, man, feeling great about that. Oh, really? That's cool. That's cool. We were talking about prop firms yesterday, man. I'm actually really thinking about sending an application to uh I can't remember the name of that company, but hell something, the German prop firm, and then those other two you mentioned, Q, um, S&B Capital, and I can't remember the other one, but I'm thinking about it, man. It would be really cool to be on a team and have some mentors. I mean, it's really fun doing it by myself and finding my way. But I really want to get to the part where you make money, and I think I might be able to streamline that. If I could sit at a prop firm desk with some mentors and coaches and stuff like that. That would be cool. You're not allowed to put real money in. Is this a wife restriction? Oh man, you going to the dark side, Ben? You short and small caps? Q does that quite impressively, man. I really enjoy when he shares his killer trades with me. Like, dang, bro, you got in up there. Uh, Oh yeah, I got you. I got you. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. But yeah, man, I'm out of here, y'all. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. Not a bad day, not a great day, but I think a good day is a good day. It's a good red day. Um, yeah, good red day. I mean, there's a couple things I could have done better, but walking out the door only down 1R, I'm happy with that for sure. Yeah, no, I agree, man. Shorting small caps is wild. Yeah, got the statistics behind it, I'm sure. All right, for real though, I'm out, y'all. Be safe out here. Peace. Oh snap, we not. Yeah, we not here tomorrow. Ah, okay. Well, all right then, man. Enjoy the break, and I guess I'll see you guys on Thursday. All right, man. Be safe out here. Peace.